guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been so long and I'm so sorry, but I'm so excited to be back. I had a request to do an updated video on my schooling right now. I am currently, sorry, this is kind of like in my way. Okay, I'm currently in school right now at Scott Community College. I'm going to college. I might as well start this video over. Okay, so I'm going to Scott Community College right now. I'm in my prerequisites to go into my nursing. I will have a total of 4 years. My first 2 years will be my prerequisites, and the other 2 years will actually be the nursing program itself. So I have a total of 4 years. I'm in my first semester right now, and let me tell you, it's a lot harder than I thought. I was not ready for all the homework and tests and quizzes and math, and I don't think I set myself up enough to be prepared for that. I was like, oh, it's school, I'll be fine. You gotta think to yourself, like, you really have to set aside a time to study and be on the ball game and like just be there for school, and I don't think I was really prepared for that, but I stepped my game up and I'm there, I'm ready, and I've been studying really hard. I do have 3 classes right now. My first class is chemistry. Chemistry is a lot harder than I thought. A lot of math, a lot of algebraic expressions and notations and conversions and lots of that good stuff. So that's one class I'm kind of struggling in, but I've been trying really hard, and I've been teaching myself on watching my own YouTube videos and just really trying to figure it out on my own, because it's kind of hard to understand my teacher. She's not the greatest teacher, but gotta do what I gotta do, right? So for chemistry, that is my first one, and then my second class, that would be Intro to Psychology, which is super easy so far. I mean, it doesn't seem too bad, and I'm doing great in that class. And then my last class is Composition 1, so I'm writing a paper currently, and that's going pretty well. I wrote a paper on some of my like eczema and symptoms, and like your health versus choosing your food options. My title of my essay is called Health versus Temptation. So it's just really about choosing foods that really make an impact on your body and all that good stuff. So I'm currently doing pretty well in school, I think. It's just hard for me to get in the routine of to get up, get going, like have outfits ready, have your homework done, choosing to stay home instead of going out with friends, or you know, you have to set your priorities and be able to be there for school and school only. So that's one thing that I've had to step up and take responsibility for, is just to study hard and be there for school. So that's going really well. I did actually purchase an iPad Pro. It's one of the bigger guys here, so it's a huge one. And the Apple Pro, hold on a second. I got a pen with it also, so I can like take notes. It's just an Apple pen. It's electronically, and you can draw and insert pictures. This is the bigger iPad. This is like the 12.9. Excuse me. And then this case is actually like a laptop, so you can open it up and then it folds into like a laptop would. It comes with a keyboard, and then you can prop it open. There's a stand on the back, so you can have this set down like on a desk and use it like as a desktop version like that. I will go ahead and show you a little bit on it, just so if you guys are interested. They're really expensive. It would cost me like $1,500 total for everything, with a case and the pen and everything. The pen is separate, but I'm going to be in school for 4 years. Like, it's going to come in handy and I'm going to need it. So, and it's nice because on here I can actually go into this app called Yuzu, and it actually has my textbooks on there. So I have my psychology book and my chemistry book on there as well. So then I don't have to carry around a bunch of textbooks, which is really nice. This app I'm using, I'll come to you. I'll show you. So on here, I have this app called Notes Plus. So I'll go to that, and then basically you can write all kinds of notes on here, and that's with the Apple Pen, which is really cool. So I'm going to go to my other classes. Here I have chemistry. So for chemistry, I have like all my notes, and it's so handy because you can like draw shapes and you can insert stuff, which is really nice. And then you go down and you can actually insert pictures or just screenshots, and then I just insert it to the notes, so that's really handy. So I thought that was really cool. I mean, other than that, this iPad does have iMovie, so I can actually edit my YouTube videos. So it's nice that this has iMovie, because then I can edit my YouTube videos when I'm on the go or anything like that. So that's really nice. I mean, other than that, it's pretty much it. I mean, I do have Word on here, the app, so I can write my research papers and stuff on here also. So that's really handy for me in school right now. But my schedule is crazy. Oh, my schedule. I am 3 days a week. I'm Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays I go from 9 to 3, or 9:10 to 3. And then Wednesdays I go from 9:10 to 12:30. And then that's it. So it's really not that bad. I am full-time, but I also work full-time. So it's a little difficult for me to kind of get into a routine of, like I said, doing homework and making sure, like I set my priorities straight and use my time wisely and stuff like that. So, but yeah, it's going pretty well, and I might do a future video on further semesters and how I'm doing, what my grades look like. So I will do an updated video. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do, and then subscribe, or not subscribe, and then go ahead and hit that like button, and it will go ahead and inform you, or not like button, I cannot talk, you guys. I think it's because I have to go to work in like 10 minutes, and I'm trying to rush. So like I said, if you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do. I would appreciate it so much if you hit the thumbs button, or not thumbs button, what is it? The notification bell. Oh my gosh. If you hit the notification bell, it will inform you on all my future videos and whenever I upload. So if you guys are interested in that, then please do. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!